Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add image carousel in Elementor. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Elementor, and the second one is in search with it, write image. And you're gonna see right here the image carousel. Take it and paste it. So right now what you have to do is just select some images. Again, this one, this one, this one, this one. Create a new gallery, insert gallery. So right now we got our pictures. We can change the image sizes to have it bigger. Then we get like slides to show. We can have like with the 2 or like with the 1 even. The 1 is good, I think. You can have image stretch, but be careful because if you're gonna make your image stretch, it's going to be really big like this and it's going to be pixelated. So I wouldn't do that. Navigation, you can change between arouse and dots, arrows, and dots and none. I really like the arrows and dots. Then you can have like a link here that someone can click, but you also don't need to have it. And caption, you can have like also title or no. So that's it. Then you're gonna select additional options. You're gonna like autoplay, pause on hover, pause on interactions, autoplay speed. I recommend having like the best 200. That's good. Infinite loop, yes. Effect, you can have like fade here. Let's see how it looks like. It's good too. And direction, left or right, also again up to you. Then you're gonna like see style here, and you can have like also the position of arrows inside. That's good. Let's change the colors to black. Nice. And also the dots are good. So you can have also the border type of your images if you want to have them, but you also don't actually need to have it. And then you're going to select advanced here. You can really play around it, and if you don't want to have it on your tablet or mobile, you can change the background type, some motion effects on mouse effects if you want to. Or whatever. So this is how you pretty much do it. And if you have any questions, guys, I'll be really happy to help you with some guidance. And yeah, thank you everybody, have a great day and goodbye.